The Makita XNU05SM1 Hedge Trimmer is equipped with a powerful motor that achieves up to 3,600 strokes per minute, ensuring rapid and efficient cutting. With its 10 angle settings and a 135-degree working range, this trimmer excels at handling both overhead and ground-level hedges with ease. Its telescoping shaft, adjustable from 6 to 8 feet, provides excellent reach for taller hedges and convenience for trimming low areas without bending. The 18.5-inch dual-action double-sided shear blade enhances cutting performance, making it ideal for tackling dense foliage. Weighing significantly less than traditional gas models, it offers a soft grip handle that enhances user comfort during extended use. Designed with Makita's extreme protection technology, it is well suited for outdoor use, offering resistance to dust and water and benefits from the fast-charging lithium-ion batteries in the extensive 18-volt LXT system.